can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Telcoin. Now, over the last 1 year, Telcoin is up 223%. Altcoins are pumping. We're expecting altcoin season. In this video, we'll look at Bitcoin dominance, which has been dumping. How will that affect the price of Telcoin? We'll look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. We'll look at Telcoin's valuation against Bitcoin, Telcoin's market cap, and we'll also look at Telcoin's valuation against the US dollar. Is there a hope for us to get to new all-time highs? How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? More importantly, where are those key levels where we might get rejected? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with some details about Telcoin. Currently trading around $0.0053. It has a fully diluted market cap of $537 million, but a market cap of $489 million. I'll explain to you why the discrepancies between the market cap and the fully diluted market cap later. Telcoin's all-time high happened on the 11th of May 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $0.064, and right now it's down 91% from that all-time highs. Now, if you look at Telcoin's performance against the US dollar, two sides of a story. When the market is bearish, Telcoin is hyper bearish the market. When the market is bullish, you want to strap on for that rockets going to the moon. Now, after Telcoin was launched in 2018, we saw it dumping aggressively to Goblin Town, and by the time the COVID sell-off came around, Telcoin was already down by 99.49%, which is crazy to think about. A lot of these altcoins can dump to the point that you think they are dead. They probably look like they're going to zero, but that's the game you play. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. You want to buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market so that you'll be able to sell when great returns for some sweet profit. Now, if you held Telcoin through that chaos of it dumping 99%, even if you double down on your gain, what would have happened, guys? By the end of 2021 bull market, you'd have been singing Kumbaya as Telcoin went parabolic. It rallied up by more than 74,000% in just under 428 days. Now, which means $1,000 invested in Telcoin at the bottom would have returned more than $744,000 in just one coin, which is Telcoin. So that volatility in the altcoin market, that's the future, that's not a bug. You usually see huge jumps to Goblin Town, but then when those pumps to the moon come, you wish you bought the bottom. But every pump you see in the cryptocurrency market is just before a dump. Every dump you see is before a pump. The only two things that happen is the market is pumping or the market is dumping. And when the market is not pumping, like in a bear market, you see altcoins dumping aggressively, just like Telcoin. We saw Telcoin dumping in the second full crypto bear market. This time around, losing just 98% of its value, which is an improvement from the last bear market it experienced. The last bear market was a 99% dump to Goblin Town. This time around, a 98% dump. It's not that bad. But guys, we have not seen Telcoin give us that explosive move to the upside just yet, even though from the bottom of that bear market is up 1,100%. Right now, it's just up 450%, but in February 2025, it got to as high as the $0.013 level, which meant from the bottom, it was up over 1,100%. Key levels to watch out for Telcoin in the coming days and the coming weeks. First, the highest point we have traded since 2022, the $0.012 level. If we don't get rejected there yet again, let's expect explosive prices. But from where we're currently trading, for Telcoin to get to that $0.012 level, we need a 133% increase in price. For us to get to all-time highs, Telcoin will need to pump by over 1,000% from where it's currently trading, which is very possible, which can happen very quickly. All you have to do is trust the process. All you have to do is buy low, sell high. Where can you get some Telcoin for yourself? You want to get some, you can get some Telcoin on Uniswap, on QuickSwap, on Bybit, on BitGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Telcoins right there. If you look at Telcoin's market cap, it currently sits at the $493 million level. For Telcoin's market cap to get above $1 billion, that's an easy walk, but easy work because of market conditions. We have seen it get to $1 billion. That was in February of 2025. That will be the price target to beat. That will be where you want to see Telcoin rallying above. From where we're currently trading, Telcoin will need to see around a 142% pump for it to get to that $1.1 billion level. And if Telcoin is going for the Mama Jama, if Telcoin is going for the all-time highs, we need to see around a 500% rally in the price of Telcoin if it's to attempt to get to new all-time highs. And knowing how volatile this market can be, knowing how volatile Telcoin has been in the past, I will not be shocked if we see the market cycle ending with a parabolic price action. Historically, that's tend to happen when Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Historically, that's tend to happen when altcoins are having a nice time, when market participants are expecting altcoin season. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral, even though we're at all-time high prices, even though Bitcoin is trading above $113,000, Ethereum trading above $4,700. Sentiment is still neutral because market participants are used to exponential gains, and that's only what they want. But guys, remember, if you don't buy low, you cannot sell high. If you don't buy when there's fear in the market, you cannot sell when extreme greed returns back in the market. The winning formula in the market is to buy low, to buy fear, and sell greed and sell high. Now, if you look at Telcoin's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, basically just do those two things. It's either it's pumping aggressively against Bitcoin when the market is very bullish, or is dumping against Bitcoin when the market is bearish. Now, when the market is bearish, what has Telcoin done against Bitcoin? It has dumped drastically. The first dump he had against Bitcoin was a 99.5% dump to Goblin Town. Basically, it almost went to zero. But if you held on, if you trusted the process, if you believed that it will come back, if you believed that all coins were going to pump eventually, that's what happened for Telcoin in 2020, because we saw it outperforming Bitcoin in the final phase of the cycle by over 20,000%. Right now, I'm not expecting it to outperform Bitcoin by 20,000%, but we're seeing similar price action with Telcoin dumping aggressively against Bitcoin. Right now is down 94% from the all-time highs, which is an improvement from the previous bear market. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I expect to see Telcoin outperform Bitcoin. I'll be paying close attention to this 250% increase against Bitcoin, which for the price chart might not see Telcoin get to all-time highs at 250% increase from where Telcoin is currently trading. We'll see it trade around the $0.02 level, which is not bad because there's a strong resistance there. That will be something to write home about. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. The cryptocurrency market shows us sentiment is pointing towards altcoin season. Telcoin, known for pumping aggressively, which is still up 220% on the year, is getting ready for that epic final pump. How high do you see Telcoin going in the coming days and the coming weeks? And at what price targets will you be selling for some sweet profits? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.